How to install Windows Media Player on Windows 11. First, click on the Start menu. Then click on the Settings app. Once you're in the Settings app, click on the System option. Scroll down. Look for the Optional Features section on the right hand side. Then click on it. Click on View Feature button from Add an Optional Feature section. Then type Media Player on the search box. Select Windows Media Player Legacy app. Then click Next. Click on Add to begin the install. Once the installation complete, you can launch Windows Media Player by clicking on the Windows icon in the taskbar and searching for Windows Media Player in the search box. And that's how you can install Windows Media Player on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.